We'll guide you through how to make a WhatsApp account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow along on an Android, but also an iPhone, it's very similar. So make sure it's this full guide. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So open up the Play Store or the App Store and you can go and search for WhatsApp. You can go and download it and then you can go and open it like so. So what you need to do is you need to go and agree to this here. If you do, you can press agree and continue and set your language there. Now you need to go and allow notifications to be sent so you know when you get messages, etc. Now what you can do here is it may go and detect your number. If it does, then great. You can go and select it and press continue, or you need to go and enter it in there and then you go and press next. You can go and see it has been securely verified on this device. That's really easy. We can press continue. Now what we need to do is go and give WhatsApp the different permissions that it needs. So we can press continue, press allow for contacts, allow music and audio, and we'll allow all for photos and video access. Now we start on the profile info. So you can go and add your profile picture here. You can see I've got one there. And what you can do is you can go and enter in your name. So let's tap on the text box. I'll go and enter mine in now. And we can go and press next. Here you can go and enter in an email if you want, and it's going to help verify your account. So you can type it in there and press next. Then it will go and say finishing setup, and it'll go and bring you to the chats. You can come to your settings by then pressing the three dots in the top right and going down settings. What I recommend you do is you can go into your privacy settings here, and you can go and change some different things like last seen online and read receipts. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos.